Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unbagging for you from the lovely folks over at Fansells. So Fansells are a budget company when it comes to diamond painting, cross stitch, other crafts and their accessories that go along with them, and I would highly recommend that you check them out. Before I unbag this, I am just going to take this opportunity to ask if you enjoy this video or have watched previous content and have enjoyed it, please do have a look down below and see if you have subscribed yet. It seems like people have been being unsubscribed recently, so if you just have a little check, that would be awesome. Thank you so much. So let's get inside this and see what I grabbed. Okay, as always, I've stuck to unusual items, things I haven't tried before or things that I haven't maybe showed up on the channel. But this one particularly, I'm so glad that it arrived when it did, because of course this month over on Diamond Grandma's channel and over on Maisie's Madhouse, they are doing Tail Feathers 24. So it's all things with tails and feathers. So I picked up this. Now this is a DIY bird special shaped diamond painting. It's got 60 pages, it's A5 and it was $6.99. So we've got our basic boat wax and pen there. This is our lovely, very clear drill field there with our lovely owl. I like owls particularly, they're one of my favourites. Now is this lined? Yes, it is a lined journal, if you like, notebook. It's got a lovely sort of soft vegan leather sort of feel to the cover, so it's sort of somewhere between a soft back and a hard back. It would be great to carry around in the bag for notes and bits and pieces. Let's have a look at our drills. Ooh. So starting off, we've got lovely purple and orangey yellow there. Very nice indeed. Where are they going? There's number 11 and 12. Okay, that's going to be around the outside. There's number 12 and 11 is going to be in the background. Then we've got more orange, dark blue, light blue, got some silver, got some lovely little teardrops there with a pearlescent blue. Oh, we've got some tiny little marquee shapes there in a sort of champagne colour. We've got faceted teardrops. We've got red semi-spheres, demispheres, semi-spheres. Those are the eyes anyway. These lovely peacock blue kind of faceted rounds, and then we've got some half pearls as well. So it's going to be very fun to do. It's to be a nice evening sat in front of the telly working on this one. And again, as I always say, I love a useful item when it comes to crafting. So $6.99, perfect. Sticking with the theme of birds, I also picked up some bookmarks. I don't remember if I've ever shown bookmarks on the channel, and it's certainly been a while since I've worked on any. I've done them as gifts for people quite a lot though in the past. Oh, it's a toucan and a flamingo. My brain, forgetting birds. So yeah, very cute. Not going to take very long to do. They come with these lovely tassels, really quite spectacular. The detailing on that for you to fix on afterwards. My daughter really likes flamingos, so it may be that she ends up getting one of these. But again, if you're doing the tail feathers event or thinking about events for next year, these are the sort of little projects that will let you take part in these smaller events whilst not overcommitting yourself. So I know a lot of people find the events quite stressful, and I totally understand that. I've tried to make my own events as stress-free as possible, and I know that Diamond Grandma and also Diamond Paint with Friends are trying to do the same thing as well. So what have we got here? We've got ABs. So we've got red with an AB coating, that's that sort of shiny rainbow coating on top. We've got a pink rhinestone, purple, green, darker green, a yellow, a lovely kind of teal colour. Oops, sorry, that is a blue, no faceted, so tiny blue half pearls there with an AB coating, pink pearls, faceted AB teardrops. I'm so sorry, I cannot speak today. We've got round facets with an AB, we've got pink marquise, and we've got green marquise. So really, really lovely. And you can see again just how clear and simple these are going to be to work on. They're going to be so much fun. Again, these are the sort of things that would make great gifts, either as a kit for someone to work on or make them and gift them yourself, which is what I've done in the past. This set, so for the 2 bookmarks, $3.99, you cannot go wrong, and you get your Bookmarks pen as well. Now, this is a bit of a bigger one. So let's get into this. How does it open without me ripping the packet? Now, anyone that knows me will know that I love butterflies. Yeah, any opportunity to diamond paint things with butterflies on, I'm going to take it. So let's have a look, see what we've got here. So we've got a boat wax pen with a few baggies thrown in for good measure. And then in here we've got sort of 2 separate crafts almost. We've got these lovely butterflies that are they're like a laminated plastic. Sorry. Very clear drill field again, you can see, nice and simple, but these are designed to be wall decorations. So once you've done them, you can fold them to make the wings become 3-dimensional, and then it comes with these sticky pads to stick them onto your walls or onto whatever you want, shelves, picture frames. Yeah, they can go anywhere you like. So I think they're all going to be different. Let's see, do we get it'd be lovely if they were all different. See, those are similar, but they're not the same. Ooh, those 2 are the same. So maybe we are going to get 2 of everything. I don't know. Nope, doesn't look like it. No. Okay, so 2 the same. 2 the same, 2 similar, and some others that are all different. So that's kind of one part of this project. Decorative wall butterflies. You could even use them if you're sending a gift to somebody. These would be a great little decoration to put on the packaging for the gift. So, and talking of gift boxes, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 butterfly themed boxes. Now these don't have lids, so they wouldn't do necessarily for packaging a gift unless you were wrapping the gift and putting it in there. But these are going to become storage boxes, so they will fold up like this. I just got one. It's fine. Obviously, ordinarily, diamond paint these before you fold them. I'm just going to fold this one up so you can see how they will look once they're put together. So, the sides of your box are going to come up, and then you will have the butterfly detail. So these will be, you know, I fully plan to stick at least one of these on my desk to keep odds and ends in. I'm forever taking off bits of jewellery and needing somewhere to pop it, so great for things like that. Additionally, you could put, maybe if you had a pot plant, you could place this and then put the plant pot inside to add a decorative touch there. So many options with these, and we've got different ones. Yeah, four different designs, and so you've got 2 butterflies to diamond paint on each box. So there's a lot of work to be done here. This is just the little instructions showing you. Oh, they've got them here with plants in. There you go, you can just see. There, they've got little plants, and they've got the butterflies stuck on the wall. So yeah, really nice. Obviously we've got our diamonds here, oops, and our sticky tabs. These are, they're not special diamonds, but I'll just have a little look through. This set was incredibly reasonable. For all of this, £7.99, bargain. So we've got white, blue, a couple of shades of purple, cerise, blues, yellows, oranges, browns, dark green, bright green, cream, yellow, big bag of orange, different creams, red, yellow, different yellow, brown, black, and burgundy. So I will say with these, we don't have DMCs, it's just number codes that you're matching up. But yeah, really, really great. So £7.99 for these, bargain. The lovely fun animal bookmarks, £3.99 for the pair, and the owl notebook, £6.99. So an amazing haul. I'm so happy. This is going to keep me busy for ages. Do go and check out Fansells. I do have a discount code for you. It is always on every video down in the description, but it will also be on screen now for you to have a look. So go and check them out, grab yourself a discount, treat yourself something nice, and then let me know down in the comments what you've bought. This is all from me for today. Please do remember to subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like, share with a friend, become a member of the Crafty Coven. Huge thanks to those of you that support the channel over on Patreon. You make this worth doing. Thank you so much, and until next time, stay crafty.